Hey guys, it's me Rebecca. So today I'm bringing to you guys my book review for AB the Autobiography by AB de Villiers. This is a non-fiction book, obvious. It's an autobiography by this wonderful man. I'm not totally into non-fiction. I really love to read fiction, so I'm not into non-fiction. And if I'm not wrong, this is the third non-fiction book that I'm reading. The first book that I read was Indra Nui, a biography by Annapurna. I really loved it, and then I thought I'll take another non-fiction book, and that was Power of Your Subconscious by Mind by Joseph Murphy, and that totally put me down. I never picked up another non-fiction book after that. I'm so sorry, I didn't like it. And if I could rate a book 0 stars, that book would have got that, yeah. So I'm a big fan of cricket, okay, a big fan. And I'm a bigger fan of AB when I came to know that he has written an autobiography, and I was like, yeah, I need to read it. When I came to know that this was an autobiography, I never expected anything from this. I was like, okay, for the sake of reading, I will read it because I wanted to know about him. But I didn't expect anything high from it because it was an autobiography, it was a non fiction book. But this book was beyond my expectations. The writing is so good. Like, I couldn't believe a non-writer could write a book so beautifully. I was not bored at any point of time. Though this book contains a lot of statistics, this book definitely talks about his life, his childhood, how he chose cricket as his career when he had many different other options. I was quite impressed by this book. Uh, this book made me think that I should definitely pick more non-fiction books. Definitely, I would love to pick more biographies and autobiographies. And this man is a wonderful guy. I loved AB before reading this book, and now I don't know how much I love him more. He's such a great guy. He's such a humble guy, and it's just wonderful to read his story, which is quite unique. And I never knew that a non-fiction book could make me feel so much. It could bring out my different emotions. Like, uh, there were many different instances where I was really happy. There were many instances where I was really sad. So I get it, I'm an emotional person, okay. I know I'm definitely an emotional person than anyone else. Like, I cry for everything, like I cry easily. But yeah, this book left an impact on me, okay. This book brought many of my emotions out. Like, when South Africa lost, I felt I lost. When South Africa won a match, I felt I won. When Mark Boucher, I don't know whether it's that, if that's how you pronounce it, yeah, when he retired due to an injury, I felt really bad. And when Grammy Smith, again, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, yeah, when he retired as a captain, I felt really bad. I was almost in tears, okay. So because you get to see that man's life from AB's point of view from the start, so even you have that feeling towards him, what AB is having right now at that time, okay. And when especially when South Africa lost the 2015 World Cup semi-finals against New Zealand, I cried, okay. So I never thought a non-fiction book could do that to me, and that was a total surprise for me, okay. And this book taught me many lessons. Like, it's easy for us people to sit and watch through a television or a stadium and think, why did he do that, or why did he do this? But here I could see the behind scenes of cricket. Like, you could understand what the player was going through at that time. Or it's easy for us to say, change the captain, he's not a good captain. But this book made me realize that what that player is undergoing through. So this book taught me to support the players than to ridicule them or criticize them. And this book was an amazing read, and I read this book slowly, not because I was bored because of it, because I devoured each and every page, each and every chapter of this book. Okay, I loved it so much, and this is definitely one of the best reads of this year. And this was the first book that I finished this year, and that was a wonderful start for this year. And I really want all of you, even if you're not a cricket fan, to read this book. It's wonderful. Okay, it's so good, and I definitely want you people to read it. I don't think many people read this book because it's about AB, so mostly maybe cricket fans will read it, or maybe his fans will read it. But I think even if you're not a cricket fan, you should read it. That's all for today, guys. And if you have read this book, let me know about your thoughts on this book in the comments below. I would love to know about them. Thank you guys for watching my video. Meet you guys in my next video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Bye bye.